Do find out the countries you visit, what kind of currency they are using. For some countries, let's say for example, if you visit Europe, one currency can be used throughout the whole of Europe, that's a euro dollar. Or in some countries, you might not be able to change the currency in Singapore, then you have to ask your travel agent or your travel consultant what is the best currency you should change, which will allow you to change the local currency when you visit a country. Most of the time will be US dollar, which is user-friendly almost every part of the world, even though they might not have their local currency in Singapore. So you can use US dollar to change to your local currency when you are there. For certain countries, they do accept things like traveler's check, credit card. For senior, we always advise them that do not bring too much cash with you, because if you bring too much cash with you, you will be the target for robbery also. So what we do is that we advise them that you should have a credit card. Ask your credit card company to increase your credit card limit, because if you happen to buy big items or expensive item, and suddenly your credit card company see that there is a huge amount being swiped on your credit card, they might not approve it if you have not preempt them that you are going to travel, and you need them to increase your credit limit also. Traveler's check is also one form of money that you can carry with you, that if you lost it, it's okay, because as long as you don't sign on your traveler's check, it's actually a void traveler's check. And also your ATM card. In certain countries, you can actually use your ATM card to withdraw local currency from their bank. All you need to do is to flip the other side of your ATM card to see there's a plus, there's a Cyrus or a Mastro's logo on the card itself. Then you can actually withdraw money from the ATM in which country you are. It's also very important that before you travel, you should consider a good travel insurance. Many a times, travelers, they always brush us away and say that, no, I paid by credit card, I've already been covered by my credit card insurance. Well, this is one thing that you should consider, is that you should have a policy that's given to you by your credit card company and do a comparison with a proper travel insurance, because what the credit card company covered might not be enough to cover you when you're traveling. So always do a comparison between a travel insurance and the insurance covered by your credit card company. Especially some credit card company, they only cover very small portion of your travel, whereas for the travel insurance, it's very extensive. It's very good to have a proper travel insurance, because in case of emergency, your credit card company might not cover you what we call medical evacuation, which most of the travel insurance they do cover. And also hospitalization. These are the things that you should do and compare with your credit card company policy and a travel insurance company, so that you will know that it is better for you to have at least buy a proper travel insurance. For example, we have a case a few years back. We have a senior who went to New Zealand, and he suffered a heart attack. Okay, as we all know, overseas medical is very, very expensive. Luckily, before he traveled, we actually persuaded him that he should buy a travel insurance. He bought a good one, and thanks to that, he actually saved a lot of money, because he has to be flown back from New Zealand back to Singapore on what we call a air medical service, which actually costs about $120,000. So with that travel insurance, he don't have to pay a single cent, because it's already covered by the travel insurance. So it's good to have a proper travel insurance.